Before anything was created, there was silence. Not empty silence, not waiting silence, but a silence that already contained everything. Most people are afraid of silence because silence removes distraction, and without distraction, we meet ourselves. Silence has no opinion, no urgency, no demand. It does not ask you to become someone else. It simply asks you to arrive. We believe creation begins with action, with movement, with effort. But all true creation begins before that. A composer does not start with a note. A poet does not start with a word. A life does not change with a decision. It begins in a moment so quiet that the mind almost misses it. That moment is silence. Silence is the womb of sound. Every melody you love, every rhythm that ever healed you, was once held in silence. Even now, between each note of music, there is a pause that carries the meaning. Remove silence, and music becomes noise. Remove silence from life, and existence becomes exhaustion. We stay busy to avoid silence. We fill our days, our screens, our minds, because in silence, truth speaks without words. Silence reveals what is unresolved, what is authentic, what is ready to be born. Silence is not here to punish you. It is here to prepare you. Before you create anything, a song, a choice, a new chapter of your life. Listen. Not for instructions, not for answers, just listen. Creation is not forced into existence. It rises naturally when silence has been honored. Right now, do nothing. Don't improve this moment, don't analyze it. Let silence touch you the way sound usually does. Notice how silence is not empty. It is alive, present, aware. This is the space where creation waits. Before the first sound, before the first word, before the first breath, there is silence, and it is still here, always waiting patiently for you to listen. This is Sri Shambhav Music Podcast, where creation begins before sound.